Hello again. Another cold day out there today, and in places an exceptionally cold night to come tonight. Now, it doesn't feel quite as cold out there today because that bitter wind is just steadily easing down. Still in evidence in places for sure, and still bringing lots of snow showers across parts of the eastern side of the country especially. So we do have Met Office yellow warnings in place. Visit the website or the app for more details on that. But a continued risk of snow and ice over the next couple of days. This is the big picture then, the satellite image showing the showers streaming in, and they are literally streaming in bands from the North Sea. So again, some places seeing shower after shower and a lot of snow building up, several more centimetres, whereas some places, even in the east, not seeing much at all. The snow showers are steadily easing across parts of eastern Scotland, but we do have some across southwest England as well at times. But much of the Midlands and western Britain, certainly northwest Scotland, dry, fine, and with plenty of sunshine. And those winds are not as strong. It is still cold, however. These are the temperatures. This is what the mercury will read in your thermometer, 1 to 3 degrees Celsius, but that wind is making it feel colder. Not as cold as yesterday when the feels like temperatures were more like -6 or -7, but still feeling sub-zero pretty much everywhere as that breeze just steadily continues to ease down. There will be more snow showers to come across eastern England well into the evening, across southeast England, East Anglia, parts of Yorkshire and Lincolnshire too. The snow showers, though, easing across eastern Scotland, generally becoming drier here. There will be some more across the Northern Isles, and overnight, increasing chance of seeing some snow showers in the southwest. Very hit and miss, but some places could wake up to a covering here. It stays quite blustery here, and that will help to keep the temperatures up around about freezing, but elsewhere it is going to be a very cold night. -2 to -5, that's in towns and cities. In rural spots, well, we could be down to -10 to -12 over northern England, even parts of East Anglia where there's snow lying on the ground, -12 is possible, and across Scotland, well, we could get down to -20 in some locations. So a very cold start. Could be some fog around as well first thing on Thursday morning. But generally, Thursday's a dry, fine, sunny day. Not as many snow showers across eastern England, 1 or 2 in northeastern Scotland, and maybe early on in the southwest of England. But things clouding over across the southwest. The breeze will be noticeable here, but changing direction subtly. Certainly across the eastern side of the country, the winds are a lot lighter through Thursday, and we should see a bit more in the way of sunshine. Still, the snow lying on the ground, that could make things quite icy, and temperatures only 2-3 degrees at best for most places, so that snow is not going to melt very quickly at all. And again, it will feel colder than that with the winds across the south and the west. Through Thursday evening, signs of a bit more of a change. Just notice out west the cloud continuing to thicken with some wet weather just dribbling in. It is really only dribbling into parts of Devon, Cornwall, maybe Pembrokeshire as well. That is a weather front that's trying to move in. High pressure, though, is blocking things to the east of the UK, keeping things cold for the time being. But we're going to have this scrap into the weekend with more weather fronts just coming in from the Atlantic, bumping up against that cold air. The weather fronts bring moisture. Where they hit the cold air, they could bring some snow and the potential for some freezing rain as well. But all the time, the high pressure staying dominant. So those weather fronts just gradually weakening it until we get this one coming in. It looks like as we go into Sunday, that will eventually finally bring some milder air in from the Atlantic, but that probably won't be until next week. The outlook staying cold with a cold wind picking up once more during the weekend, and those weather fronts will bring some wet weather in the west. Snow in places, but detail at this stage we'll have to firm up on over the next few days. But yes, could be quite interesting as we go into the weekend. The risk of snow and some freezing rain also. There are weather warnings in place, as I said at the start, so keep up to date with those by following the Met Office on social media.